quick birding trip. Birding on the golf course again. Just wanted to go for a quick birding trip. It's quite sunny out, a little cold, but we'll work with what we got. First bird of the day. American robin. Yay. Canada goose. Male and female mallard duck, along with the Canadian geese. The wind is definitely what's making it cold outside. Overall, it's sunny. Can't complain besides the wind. I'm also seeing tree swallows fly around, so I'll tell you that spring is near. American goldfinch, male. It's trying to become into its male spring plumage. That's awesome. Mourning dove. Common grackle. There's our downy woodpecker. Finally found him. Song sparrow. Very cool. Northern cardinal. Hey, if you made it this far, I appreciate you. And if you could like and subscribe, that'd be great. Until next time, happy birding.